A closer look 1. 4. Listen and repeat the following words.
Unit 3. Page 28. A closer look 1. Pronunciation. Activity 4. Listen and repeat the following words.
Skateboard, stamp, speech, display, first, station, instead, crisp, school, basket, space, task.
Five. Listen again and put the words in the right column according to their sounds.
Activity 5. Listen again and put them in the right column according to their sounds.
Skateboard, stamp, speech, display, first, station, instead, crisp, school, basket, space, task.
Six. Listen and read the following sentences. Then underline the words with the sounds sk, sp, or s.
Activity 6. Listen and read the following sentences. Then underline the words with the sounds sk, sp, or st.
1. The Hmong people I met in Sapa speak English very well.
2. You should go out to play instead of staying here.
3. This local speciality is not very spicy.
4. Many ethnic minority students are studying at boarding schools.
5. Most children in faraway villages can get some schooling.